हमारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि हमारे सभी नोटिफिकेशंस आपको सबसे पहले मिलें। Digimentor Education is India's best platform to prepare for GATE, NTA, UGC, NET and PGT Computer Science। ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.digimentor.com पर विजिट करें।
Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen an introduction to Boolean algebra, and we have seen how can you minimize the Boolean expressions using the identities of Boolean algebra. हम Boolean expressions को किस तरीके से minimize कर सकते हैं using the identities, वो हम पिछले वीडियो में पिछले सेशन में हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. Now in this session, we are going to discuss about the minimization of Boolean expressions using K-maps. Why do we need K-maps? This is the first question that you need to answer. So sometimes if you have big expressions, so minimizing those big expression takes a lot of time. Plus there are huge chances, there are very high chances that minimization of Boolean expression, during that minimization you are going to make mistakes. So that is why we are using these K-maps. With the help of K-maps, it will be very easy for us to minimize an expression. K-maps की हेल्प से किसी एक्सप्रेशन को मिनिमाइज करना हमारे लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. It will be very easy for all of us. So this topic will approximately take us 4 to 5 hours to complete, because there are a lot of examples that we need to take. It is important for us to cover all of these examples. If we will not cover examples, then the topic will not be very clear. So we will do the following things today. First of all, we are going to look at an introduction. So that is the introduction to the K-map. What is the basic structure of K-map? How can you make a K-map for any expression? I'm going to take everything step by step. Even if in some point, if you feel that I'm using a lot of presentations, a lot of PPTs, don't worry about it. Just follow through the lectures. You will understand everything step by step. देखो काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, we Indians, we are not designed to study using PPTs or presentations. We are trained to study on a whiteboard or on a notebook. आपके स्कूल लेवल में, कॉलेज लेवल में ऐसा होता था कि जो टीचर्स हैं वो आपको बचपन से ही, फ्रॉम योर LKG, UKG, नर्सरी ऑनवर्ड्स, एंड एवरीवन इज टीचिंग यू ऑन अ ब्लैक बोर्ड और अ वाइट बोर्ड टिल इन योर BTech and MTech. But using the presentations is not very convenient for us, because we are not really designed to, we are not having any kind of practice to study using presentations. That is why even if I show a few things using the presentations, just follow through the lectures, because I'm also going to cover some few examples based on those. And once you complete this entire chapter, जब तक आप पूरा chapter को complete करेंगे, you will be able to understand everything in a very crystal clear manner. Okay, just follow through the lectures, you will understand everything. So the first one will be introduction to the K-maps. How can you make the K-maps? Second is we are going to take some examples using representing the functions using K-maps. Representing the functions using K-map, or you can say representing Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions using K-map. And third, we are going to look at what are the prime implicants, what are essential prime implicants, right? And what are just implicants. Because if we know what are implicants, what are prime implicants, what are essential prime implicants, it will become very easy for us to minimize any Boolean expression. And then again, we will take a lot of examples. I will take a lot of examples so that every topic, everything should be crystal clear with you guys. आप सभी के साथ सभी चीज़ें बिल्कुल अच्छे से crystal clear होनी चाहिए. Okay, let us do an introduction. How can you make K-maps? Okay, so basically K-map is dependent on a very simple expression जो आपकी Boolean expression होती है. So there are some identities of Boolean expression. So you have an identity that if you do A plus A complementation, then it is equal to 1. Based on this principle, the entire K-map is designed. तो ये जो प्रिंसिपल है आपको, you already know this principle. We have already taken a lot of examples based on these principles, and just based on these principles, K-maps are designed. Let us look at a few examples, then you will understand step by step what I'm trying to say. Okay. So we have to cover the following things. So this is just an example of K-map. This is how the K-map will look like, and I'm just showing you this as a picture because later on you will understand what I'm trying to represent using this. हम इसे क्या represent करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो बाद में समझेंगे. We will come back to this later on. So let us leave it as it is, and I'll come back to this one. Okay. And again you will understand this one also later on. ये कैसे represent किया है, क्या represent किया है. We are going to look at all of these things one by one. Okay. So let us skip these parts first of all. Okay. Fine. So let's start from here. So K-map is basically a graphical way of solving Boolean expressions. K-map से हम Boolean expressions को एक graphical way से solve करते हैं, right? जैसे if you have only one variable, you know that if you have only one variable, then with the help of this one variable, your function can take only two values. Either the value of a can be 0 or the value of a is 1. So this value of a 0 is represented by a complement, and this value of 1 is represented by a. Correct? Now if you have two variables, then there are total of 4 combinations. We have already seen this. So you can take a variable a, you can take a variable b, and with these two variables you have 4 combinations. You can have combinations as 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So this 0 0 is representing a complement b complement. This is representing a complement b. This is representing a b complement, and when I say 1 1, this is representing a b. And with the help of 3 variables, there are 8 combinations are possible. Let us assume the 3 variables are a, b and c. So the combinations that are possible here are 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. I hope it is visible. आप सभी के साथ visible होगा? Yes, it is visible. Okay. Now the first combination here is representing a complement, b complement, c complement. This is representing a complement, b complement, c. This is representing a complement, b, c complement. This is representing a, b, c. Okay. A complement, b, c. This is representing a, b complement, c complement. It is representing a, b complement, c. This is representing a, b, c complement, and this one is representing a, b, c. So these are all the combinations. Correct? I hope all of these combinations are visible. Yes, it is visible. Now when I take this K-map which is having only one variable, so I am representing this a complement using this cell, and I am representing this a using this. ठीक है? तो हम a complement को इस cell से represent कर रहे हैं which is 0, and I am representing a with this cell. Fine. And when I have two variables, right? So these two variables can take 4 combinations, right? So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So this cell is representing 0 0, 0 and 0. This cell is representing 0 1. This cell is representing 1 0, and this cell is representing 1 1. Okay. And now here when you have 3 variables, so the combination with the 3 variables are total 8 combinations. So that means you can see there are total of 8 cells here. This first cell is representing 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1 and 0 1 0. This is representing 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1 and 1 1 0. ठीक है? Now there is something very interesting to notice here. Something very interesting, that when you create these combinations, I can also give them some decimal values. ठीक है? So I can allocate them some decimal values. So the decimal value of 0 0 0 is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Then we have 6, and then we have 7. So we have all the decimal values, which is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But if you look at this cell, now these values are these combinations are given in a different manner. What do I mean to say by different manner? So if you just look at these combinations and you try to see what cell is representing which combination, then you can also represent it with the help of a decimal number. So this is representing a decimal number 0, this is representing a decimal number 1, this is representing 2, and this is 3. this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay. Now why I do not have 1 2 0 1 2 3, but why I have 0 1 3 2? इस तरीके से क्यों है? And here also we have 4 5 7 6. We do not have 6 7. The reason is the K-map uses gray code. K-map uses gray code. ठीक है, ग्रे कोड का मतलब क्या? व्हाट डू आई मीन टू से बाय ग्रे कोड? ग्रे कोड मीन्स बिटवीन एनी टू कॉम्बिनेशंस विच आर एडजेसेंट टू ईच अदर वी शुड हैव ओनली वन बिट एज अ डिफरेंट, राइट? ओनली बट वन बिट शुड बी डिफरेंट. जैसे कि लेट मी शो यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. लेट मी ट्राई टू शो यू. सो इफ आई से दैट वी हैव द फर्स्ट बिट इज 0 0 0, then second is 0 0 1. So between these two only one bit is different. यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही बिट का डिफरेंस है, only one bit is different. Correct? If I say 0 1 0, now in this case between these two combination there is a gap difference of 2 bits. So this bit is changing from 1 to 0 as well as this bit is changing from 0 to 1. Now in K-maps we only any two adjacent cells can have a change of only one bit. They can have only one bit as a change. That is called as a gray code. Okay, that means instead of using this combination here, instead of using this combination, I can use the following combination. I can have 0 1 1, because if I use 0 1 1, then between these two bits, between these two combinations, I mean this entire combination and this entire combination, there is a change of only one bit. This is presenting a decimal value 0, this is representing a decimal value 1, this is representing a decimal value 3. There is a change of only one bit. In the same way, if I take 0 1 0, so between this one and this one there is a change of only one bit. सिर्फ एक ही bit का change है and I can write it as 2. मैं इसको 2 लिख सकता हूँ. Okay, so in the same way this entire K-map is organized. पूरा K-map जो है वो इसी principle पे organized है. So if I just again write the decimal values, then the decimal values will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 0. If you take any two adjacent cells, आप कोई भी randomly दो adjacent cell ले लीजिए. Take any two random adjacent cell. Maybe I'm taking these two cells. If I'm taking these two cells, there is a change of only one bit. If I'm taking these two cells, there's a change of only one bit, right? So only one bit is changed. Even if I try to take these two cells, still there's a change of only one bit. यानी कि रो में और कॉलम में. So whenever we have a row and whenever we have a column, any two adjacent cells are having a change of only one bit. And now here this adjacent cell is also having a change of one bit. Even these two adjacent cells are having a change of only one bit. So that is why we use gray code here to represent the K-map. Now what is the benefit of using the gray code? Gray code का जो benefit है वो क्या है? What is the benefit of using the gray code here? Let's try to understand the benefit here step by step. Okay. So let us assume we have this function. Let us start with the smaller function here. So this is a smaller function. This is a 2 variable function, and here this is a function f. Correct. Now let us assume this function f is assuming a value 1 here. It is assuming a value 1 here. It is assuming a value 0 in these two cases. दो लोकेशंस पे इसकी वैल्यू 1 है और दो लोकेशंस पर 0 है. If I trace out these values, if I try to put these values in the K-map, this is representing the combination 0 0, so this one will be here. This is representing the combination 0 1, therefore this one will be here. Correct? And all other locations we are having 0. Fine. And if you look at this combination is representing A combination, A complement, B complement. ये क्या represent कर रहा है? This is representing A complement, B complement, and this one is representing your A complement B. Fine. Now for this function, the expression is something like this: A complement B complement plus A complement B. I can take A complement as common, then I will get B complement dot B, B complement plus B, which is equal to A complement only. तो जो पूरा function है, this entire function can be represented by a single A complement. हम पूरे function को सिर्फ A complement की help से represent कर सकते हैं, right? Now coming back to this K-map, Here I can combine these two cells together. If I am combining these two cells together, all I have to say is what is the bit that is changing, because A is remaining constant, only B is changing. So the bits, the variable which is changing its value, I can eliminate that variable, and the variable which is not changing its value, I can say it is A complementation. तो हम इसको सिर्फ A complement से represent कर सकते हैं. That is why even using this I can find the same solution. Let me explain you with this one. ठीक है? Here what I can do is I can have a combination 1 here, I can have a 1 here, I can have 1 here, and I can have a 1 here. Let us assume these 4 locations we are having a 1, and these other locations we are having a 0. So let me also represent the same with the help of this function. Let me rub this one. So let me also represent with the help of the truth table. इसको truth table से भी represent करता हूँ so that it becomes easier for all of you guys. ठीक है? So in this case, this function is assuming a value 1 here. ये कौन सी location है? 0, 1. Right? So here also this function is having value 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the location 6 and 7, it is assuming a value 1. Otherwise, in all other locations, it is having a value 0. Correct? Now in this case, I can combine these two cells and I can combine these two cells. Why I can combine? Because these two adjacent cells are having a change of only 1 bit, and these two adjacent cells are having a change of only 1 bit. So for this cell, which bit is changing? This C is changing. B is remaining the same as well as A is also remaining the same. B भी same है और A भी same है. A की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास? 0, और B की वैल्यू क्या दोनों cells के लिए? 0, 0. Therefore this combination is representing A complement, B complement. Correct? In the same way, if you look at this combination here A is remaining the same, the value of A is only 1, and the value of B is also same, only these two values, which is C, the value of C is changing. Therefore I can write this combination as AB. मैं इस combination क्या लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पर? AB. Therefore if I represent this with the help of an expression, this will be A complement B complement plus AB, which is representing A XNOR B. A XNOR B. The same can be calculated using this truth table. इस truth table से भी हम इसको same को calculate कर सकते हैं. How can you calculate? Just take these combinations. तो ये जो combination है क्या represent कर रहा है? This is representing A complement, B complement, C complement, plus this combination is representing A complement, B complement, C, plus this combination is representing A, B, C complement, plus this combination is representing A, B and C. From these two, I can take A complement, B complement is common. I can take A complement, B complement is common, plus, and inside the bracket we are going to have C complement plus C, plus, and from these two I can take AB as common. Inside we are going to get C complement plus C. Therefore this is 1, this is 1. Therefore we are going to get A complement, B complement plus AB. So you can clearly see this expression as well as this expression, both are exactly the same. जो दोनों expressions हैं दोनों exactly same है. So basically if I represent a function using a K-map, so this is a graphical method, and solving the function using a graphical method makes things very clear for us as well as it makes things very easy. As I said, human recognition memory, humans can understand using images. आपको images ज़्यादा लंबे time तक याद रहती है. You can remember images for a very very long time. You can remember the faces of the people. You can remember the photo. You can remember a picture. But if I ask you to remember a paragraph from a newspaper, you will not be able to do it, because human mind is only designed to recognize patterns. It is only designed to recognize pictures, right? तो हम लोग text को, values को, numbers को ज़्यादा लंबे time तक याद नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay? Now again here in this case you can also see this K-map, and this is a 4 variable K-map. So if you take any two adjacent cell whatsoever, any two random adjacent cells, जैसे I can take these two adjacent cells, I can take these two adjacent cells. This cell is representing 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1, right? And this cell is representing 1, 1 and 1, 1. Correct? So here you can see only 1 bit is changed. यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही bit का change है. Only 1 bit is changed. Hence why it is having only 1 bit is changed? Because we are using gray code. तो अगर आप कोई भी दो adjacent लेंगे cells, in terms of row as well as in terms of column, only 1 bit will be changed. This is how we organize the K-map. Now in this K-map, if you check out their values, this is representing 0, 0, 0, 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, this one is representing 0, 0, 1, 1, this is 0, 0, 1, 0, ये वाला है आपके पास 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, these are the cells. So if you remember, if you try to represent them with the decimal values, अगर आप इनके decimal values की तरह से represent करेंगे, this is representing value 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the decimal values. This is how I can represent a 4 variable K-map. इस तरीके से हम एक 4 variable K-map को represent कर सकते हैं. Clear? Okay, so 4 variable K-map will be having 16 cells. So here you can see what each of these cells are representing. If I have only one variable K-map, then one entry is representing A complement, the second entry is representing A. If I have 2 variable K-map, these entries are A complement, B complement, A complement B, AB complement and AB. Correct? Here also if you check between any two, any two adjacent cells, they are having a change of only 1 bit. वहाँ पर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही bit का change है. Even if you can see 3 variable K-map, you will be having a change of only 1 bit. Take any 2 random adjacent cells. Even if I take this cell, only 1 bit is changed. So here only B is changed, A is same as well as C is changed. C is also same. Even if you take this one, only 1 bit is changing, that is A. यहाँ पर सिर्फ A ही change कर रहा है, otherwise B and C both are same. Okay, so in this way you can represent K-maps. Okay, I hope it is clear. Clear? So we have two kinds of expression. As I told you, we have minterms as well as we have a maxterm. अगर हम लोग minterms की बात करेंगे, if you talk about the minterms, then we represent minterms as a sum of product. So they are representing all the product terms. If I talk about the max terms, that means they are representing product of sum. तो यहाँ पर जो है ये product of sum expressions है. We will look at this later on. इसको हम लोग बाद में देखते हैं. We'll try to understand it how ये कैसे काम करता है. We'll try to understand it later on. ठीक है? Okay, let us move step by step. I'll take everything in a step by step manner ताकि आपको कोई भी confusion ना हो. I'll try to explain you with the help of with clarity. Okay, तो हम सब चीज़ें बिल्कुल clarity से लेंगे. Now there are two ways. I mean here you can see this is the K-map for 3 variables. This is the K-map for 3 variables. But the way you are going to represent the variables, that will change their values. ठीक है, जैसे what I'm trying to say is, let us suppose that we have a function f of a, b, c. मेरे पास क्या फंक्शन है f of a, b, c, and here this function is represented as summation 1, 3, 6 and 7. Right? I hope that you remember this one. In the previous class we have covered what is summation. हमने अपनी previous class में summation को cover किया था. Okay? Now look at it very carefully because this is a little tricky things. Many people make mistakes here. So if I am representing a here and here bc, then it will be different. And here if I am representing c here and here ab, now these two K-maps are having few different values. ठीक है? I'll explain you. So this is a complement and this is a. This is b complement c complement, b complement c, bc and bc complement. And this is representing c complement and c. This is a complement b complement, a complement b, ab, and this is a b complementation. Okay, and if you remember, if you want to represent them with the help of a number, आप इसको नंबर से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ नंबर 0, दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ नंबर 1. ओके, तो ये जो है a कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ये नंबर 0 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. एंड व्हेन आई से a इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ नंबर 1. ओके, then if you have b complement c complement, this is representing a number 0 0, b complement c is representing number 0 1, this is representing a number 1 1, and this is representing a number 1 0. So if you take any two adjacent cells, I mean adjacent bits, again one bit is changed, here also one bit is changed, here also one bit is changed, and even you can take this one and you can take this one. Between the last one and the first one only one bit is changed. Last में और first में सिर्फ एक ही bit का change है. In the same way here also, C complement means 0 and C means 1. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है? Okay, see, we will do everything step by step. हम सब कुछ step by step करेंगे. I will not do anything that will make you get confused. तो हम लोग सब कुछ step by step cover करने वाले हैं. Okay. Now there's something very interesting happening here. If I'm looking at this cell is representing 0 0 0, and this cell is representing 1 0 0. Okay, why I'm writing 1 0 0 is because this row is A and here we have B complement, C complement. Now this cell is representing 0 0 0 and this cell is representing 0 0 1. मैंने यहाँ पर 0 0 1 क्यों लिखा? Why I have written 0 0 1? Why I have written 0 0 1? Why I have not written 1 0 0? यहाँ पर मैंने 0 0 1 क्यों लिखा? Because of this order. इनका जो order है, the order of variables mentioned in the function. Because of that order, I have to write these numbers in the same order, right? So here, this is representing A, this is representing B, this is representing C. This is representing A, this is representing B, this is representing C. Same order, जो function में order follow किया गया है variable का, in the same order you have to write these numbers, okay? So here, this is representing again 0, 1, 0, correct? Let me use the same color. So this is representing 0, 1, 0. This is representing 0 1 1. This is representing 0 1 1 0. This is 1 1 1. This is 1 0 0. This is 1 0 1. Here, if you look at this one, then this is 0 0 1. This is 1 0 1. This is 0 1 1. This is 1 1 1. This one is 0 1 0. This is 1 1 0. Okay. Now, because I have changed the variable that I have written here, यहाँ पर जो मैंने row के अंदर जो variable लिखा है, the variable I have written in the row and the variable I have written in the column, these are two different variables. So because I am using two different variables, that is why what these cells are representing, that will also change. ये जो cells जो represent कर रही है, ये भी आपके पास change हो जाएगा. Clear? Clear? Now in this case, if you write the equivalent decimal value, this is representing a decimal value 1 0, this is representing a decimal value 1, this is representing a decimal value 2, this is representing a decimal value 3, decimal value 4, decimal value 5, decimal value 6, decimal value 7. In the same way, in this case, this is representing a decimal value 1 0, this is representing a decimal value 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. Again, I am saying the way you are going to represent these cells, these numberings can change. अब यहाँ पर रो के अंदर क्या वैल्यू को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, किस वेरिएबल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, और कॉलम के अंदर किस वेरिएबल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दीज नंबरिंग्स विल चेंज. ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. इतना आप सभी के साथ क्लियर होगा. ओके, आई होप दिस मच इज क्लियर. ओके, फाइन. Now same thing can be observed with a 4 variable K map. Same चीजें हम 4 variable K map के साथ भी represent कर सकते हैं. Let us assume that we have the following function f of a, b, c, d, and this function is having the values summation 0, 1, 3, 7, 9, 11. 0, 1, 3, 7, 9, 11. Okay, we will see how we can represent these values. हम सभी चीजों को step by step cover करेंगे. Now what I'm doing here is I'm doing something special. I'm representing AB here and I'm representing CD here. Okay, and just for a purpose, because I want to answer something better, then I'm going to represent AC here and I'm going to represent BD here. तो यहाँ पर जो values हैं, so I've changed these values. I'm representing AC. I'm not representing BD. Right? I could have done something like this. I could have represented CD here and AB here. मैं वो भी कर सकता था, but just for fun, just to make you understand, I'm representing AC and BD. Okay. So that means ये जो cell है, the way numbering in these two cells will go, that will change. ठीक है, this is representing again 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. ठीक है, clear? Now let us write their equivalent values. So this is representing all zeros. This is 0 0 0 1. This is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. This one is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, and in the second cell, now here it will be little tricky. Writing here will be a little tricky. यहाँ पर लिखना थोड़ा सा tricky होगा, because I have to write in this manner. I have to write first A, then I have to write B, then I have to write C, and then I have to write D. So here this value will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, so 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Again 0 1 0 0. Okay, that means I've taken these values 0 1 here, I've written 0 0 over there. Okay, so again here 1 1, here we have 1 0, and in between we have 0 0 0 0, right? And here we have 0 1 0 1 0 1, and in between we have 0 1 here, 0 1 here, and 0 1 here. Okay, I'm so sorry, I think I've made a mistake. I've made a mistake here, I'm so sorry. I'm such a duffer sometimes. So this is representing 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. This is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. These are the values that each of these cells is representing. ठीक है, clear? Now let us write the numbers. इन सब की जो numbers हैं, let us try to understand and write the numbers for each of these cells. So this is representing a decimal value 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I'm so sorry. So again, this is a mistake. This is 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. ठीक है, these will be the numbers here. Now in this second one, this is representing 0 2, correct? ये क्या वैल्यू होगी आपके पास? 2 होगी, right? And this value will be your 10. This value will be 8. This value will be 1. This is 3. This one is value which is 11, right? So we have 0 2 4 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. This one will be value 9. This is representing the value 13. This is representing the value 12. This is representing the value which is 14. This is representing 15. This one is representing value 7. This is representing value 6. This is representing value 4. This is representing value 5. In this manner, they are representing some decimal numbers. ठीक है, clear है? I hope it is clear. How I am going to write this? किस तरह से लिखना है वो सभी आपके साथ clear होना चाहिए. Now after this, I have written that ABCD is equal to summation 0 1 3 7 9 11. तो ये जो summation है, summation is representing the min terms, right? Min terms. Or you can say the product term. So the first product term is having a value at 0. So that means here I have a value 1, and here also I have a value 1. The next we have for 1. So here I have a value 1, as well as here also I have a value 1. Okay. Next is 3. So 3 is represented here. So यहाँ पर आपके पास value 1 है, and here 3 is represented here. So here also I have a value 1. Next one is 7. So here I have a value 1. and here you can see I have a value 1. Then we have 9. So 9 का मतलब है here I have 1 and here also I have 1. Then we have 11. So 11 means here I have a value 1 and in this case also you can check here I have a value 1. तो इस तरीके से आप बता सकते हो what are the locations in the K-map they are assuming a value 1. तो कहाँ का पर value 1 है यहाँ पर? We have value 1 here. We have a value 1 in these two locations. We have a value 1 in these two locations. We have a value 1 in these two locations. 1 here and 1 here. ठीक है? Clear है? Okay. So first of all, let us just understand how can you fill these values? How can you represent the functions in the K-map? बस अभी आपको इतना समझना है. You only have to understand how can you represent a function using K-map. Okay. Okay. So जैसे if you have a function with two variables which is AB. So I can make a K-map for this AB. I'm taking a variable A here, I'm taking a variable B here, and in this function it is having 1 in 2 locations. I'm just going to represent both of these two locations using the K-map. So this is representing 0, 1 and this is representing 1, 0. So in location 0, 1 we are having a 1, in location 1, 0 we are having a 1. The same thing can be done here. आप यहाँ पर भी देख सकते हैं. Actually this is only difference here is instead of writing 0, 1 I have written B complement and B. Instead of writing 0, 1 I have written A complement and A. So both of these two K-maps are representing the same thing. दोनों जो K-map है वो एक ही चीज़ को represent कर रहे हैं. Okay. In the same way, this is a 3 variable K-map. 3 variable K-map. Here we are having 3 variables. We have the variable ABC. These are representing their decimal values. जो भी combinations है, whatever combinations you have, it is representing the decimal values of those combinations. And this is representing the value of the function. तो ये क्या कर रहा है? अपनी function की value को represent कर रहा है. So this function is assuming a value 1 here, which is at the location 2. It is assuming a value 1 here, which is at the location 4. It is having a value 1 at the location 5. It is having a value 1 at the location 7. तो इन सभी location पर ये value 1 ले रहा है. So if I represent the same with the help of minterm, then I can say this is the function for the variable ABC, and this function is assuming a value 1 at the location 2. It is having a value 1 for 4. It is having a value 1 for 5. It is having a value 1 for 7. तो इस तरीके से I can also represent the same thing with the help of the function representation. Okay, and I can put all of these values in the K-map. We are putting all of these values now in the K-map. These locations will be having value 1. So I think you can analyze it. आप इसको समझ सकते हैं. You can try and analyze this function. Okay. Now this is representing a 4 variable K-map. So in this 4 variable K-map, these are the functions which is A, B, C, D. So we have 4 variables. We have a variable A, we have a variable B, we have a variable C, and we have a variable D. Now this 4 variable K-map is assuming a value 1 at the location 3, 4, 5, at the location 7, at the location 10, at the location 12, at the location 14 and 15. So I can also represent the same with the help of this. I can say the function is A, B, C, D, and this function is assuming a value 1 at the location 3, at the location 4, at the location 5, at the location 7, then at the location 10, then 12, then 14, and then 15. So these are the locations where this is having a value 1. And I can also fill all of these values in these K-map. तो K-map में जहाँ पर ये locations हैं, for example here I'm representing in every row I'm representing the variable AB, in every column I'm representing a value CD. Okay, and now basically it's very easy to remember these values, right? Every time you do not have to calculate that this is representing what location. You can just say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So just have to remember these values. ये जो numbering की values हैं, if you remember these numbering values, now filling out this K-map will become very easy. इस K-map को fill करना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा easy या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. Okay, I'll take more examples, then you will understand how easy it is to make the K-maps. K-maps को बनाना कितना आसान है. I'll take a few examples. So again, this is, you can see one more example. So this is a function with the help of 3 variables, and these variables are having a value 1 at A, B, C complement, A, B, C, and A complement, B complement, C. So I can make this K-map. So here for rows, I'm taking the variable A, and for columns I'm taking a variable BC. So the first location is A, B, C complement. So I can take A, B, this is variable A, I can take B, C complement. So this is the location which is representing A, B, C complement. Then we have A, B, C. So this is the location which is representing A, B and C. And then we have A complement, B complement, C. So this location is representing A complement, B complement and C. Okay, so this is how you can represent the same function using the K-map. Now again this is a 4 variable K-map. तो यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 variable K-map है. Now this again something easy, मतलब you can understand more easily how you can fill this table more easily. कैसे fill कर सकते हैं? So this one is representing 0, 1, 0, 0, that is having a value 4. This is representing 0, this is 1, 0, 1, 0, that is 10. This is 0, 1, 1, 0, that is 6. This is 1, 0, 1, 1, which is the value that is 11, right? 8 plus 3 is 11. And this is 1, 1, 0, 1, which is representing a value total 13, right? So 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Okay, now I can directly make a K-map, and in this K-map I can directly go to the location 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 1, and then I can go to the location 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is location 10. So in the location 10 it is representing a value for this variable. This is representing a value 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this location 6 I can represent this min term. Then we have this is representing 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So in the location 11 we are having a value 1. And here we have 13. So again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is representing 13. At the location 13 we are having a 1. So in this way it is very easy to fill the K-map. Making the K-map, filling the K-map is very easy. If you have 4 variable functions, K-maps are particularly used till 4 variables. अगर आपके पास कुछ functions हैं जो 4 variables के function हैं, तो हम maximum we use K-map for 2 variable function, we use K-map for 3 variable function, we use K-map for 4 variable functions. But we can also create K-map for 5 variable, but making a K-map for 5 variable is going to be very time consuming as well as it will be tricky, right? In your examination, maximum you will get up to 4 variables. आपके एग्जाम में आपको मैक्सिमम 4 वेरिएबल्स के तक ही के मैप आएगा. यू विल नॉट गेट अ के मैप फॉर 5 वेरिएबल्स. आपको 5 वेरिएबल का के मैप नहीं आएगा. यू विल ओनली गेट के मैप फॉर 3 वेरिएबल्स एज वेल एज 4 वेरिएबल्स. ओके, सो आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू फिल अ के मैप. आपको समझ में आया होगा कि के मैप को कैसे फिल कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लुक एट हाउ कैन यू मेक पेयर्स इन द के मैप. के मैप में किस किस पेयर्स को बनाया जा सकता है. लेट अस लुक एट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.